Okay, YouTube fam, the seasonings have been boiling in the water for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my lima beans. These are frozen lima beans. I rinsed them really well to get that frozen, water out of them, or ice, whatever you want to call it. And I'll add them to the pot. Okay. Now I'm gonna let them cook. I'm gonna turn it down a little and let it cook for about probably 45 minutes, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, while the lima beans are cooking, I put the ribs in the oven so they can start baking, and they're gonna be delicious. Now over here is my second side. I've made this before on several videos, but I'm gonna make it again. Potato salad. I've already cut my potatoes up, and you can cut them whatever size you like. And I also put my eggs in there to save time. I always put my eggs in there with my potato salad. And I'm gonna let the potatoes cook probably about, I would say about 35 minutes. I'm gonna let the eggs cook about 10 minutes, and I'll come back when they're ready to, when I'm ready to show you how I fix my potato salad, okay? Thanks for watching, and click that like button for me, okay? It helps me out really well. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, YouTube fam. The lima beans have been cooking for about 40 minutes. They smell terrific. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, they're thickening up a little, but I want them to be a little thicker, the juice to be a little bit more thicker than that. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a teaspoonful of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water to my beans. And this mixture stir it. This mixture is gonna thicken my beans a little more, okay? I want a little bit more thickness to it, okay? And I'm gonna let it cook maybe 5 more minutes, and they'll be ready. Turn it down and let it cook about 5 more minutes. In the meantime, potatoes and the eggs are still cooking. And I'm gonna, when I finish with that, I'm gonna show you what we do next with that, okay? Hit that subscribe button for me. I need your support. Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam, it's been 5 minutes and the beans have thickened up. That's what I like. That's what I like. And they smell delicious. Okay, we're just gonna turn them off and they're ready, okay? In the meantime, I've already taken my eggs out. It's been 10 minutes, so we got about 20 more minutes on the potatoes, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my potato salad. I've already taken my potatoes off the stove, drained them, and rinsed them. Now I'm gonna add it to my dish, okay? I love potato salad with my ribs. Well, really with any kind of barbecue. It doesn't have to be barbecue. It can be fried pork chops, fried chicken. Potato salad is just delicious. Okay. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt in my potato salad. teaspoon of pepper. Sorry about that, YouTube fam. Stir it a little. Okay, give me a minute, YouTube family. I'm going to take the ribs out the oven. They've been in there for 15 minutes and they're done. Okay, YouTube fam. Now I'm going to add a third of an onion and a third of a bell pepper, okay? Stir that, and anytime you're stirring your potatoes, making potato salad, try to, you know, do it gently, because you don't, I mean, they're gonna break a little, but that's okay. Just try to do it a little gently, okay? Now I'm gonna add two tablespoons of sweet salad cubes. Okay. And I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayo. And 1 tablespoon of mustard. Okay, and I'm gonna mix this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna add 2 boiled eggs. I've already cut them up, okay? I love eggs in my potato salad. Gonna mix that well, and I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube fam, I mixed it all together well, and I smoothed it out and kind of, you know, hit it like that so everything can come kind of to the top or in the middle, or mix a little better. Okay. Wipe that off a little. Okay. Now the last ingredient I'm going to add is going to be paprika. And I just add that to the top for presentation. Well, before that, let me do something else, okay? I like to slice, I boiled 3 eggs. I like to slice some eggs on top just for presentation. You don't have to do that, but to me it just makes it look so pretty. Okay. And that last one maybe over here. Okay. And now I'm going to sprinkle some paprika on top. And that just makes it look, that gives it flavor, but it also makes it look so much pretty, more pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate my, my plate and do a taste test, and we'll end this video. And I really appreciate you all sticking with me, okay? This shouldn't take long. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my plate, okay? So we can end this video. The lima beans, they just look terrific. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna fix me a piece of rib and bring you over just a little. Okay. Didn't they turn out terrific? Let me just get my... Just want to show them to you all before I fix it. Don't they look delicious? Oh, they're gonna be delicious also. Okay. Go ahead. I think I'm gonna see that piece and that piece right there. I think I'm gonna get those two pieces. Okay. Cover the rest up. You know how I am. Okay. Get a napkin like that. Okay. Now let's fix our potato salad and do our taste test. Okay, YouTube fam. Potato salad turned out terrific. Okay. All right. Okay. That's enough for me. Okay. Okay, YouTube fam. This is my plate. Okay. I fixed me some sweet tea. My homemade sweet tea. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and say my grace. Amen. Okay. The potato salad is delicious. You see them? The lima beans are delicious. The ribs are tender. See how they just almost about to fall off the bone. They did fall off the bone. They are delicious. They're tender and they are seasoned to perfection. They are delicious. I was hungry, you too, family. Drink some of my tea. That's refreshing. I'll get one more bite for you all. You all always say I take only one bite. I'm gonna try to take two. It just fell off the bone. They are delicious. The potato salad is creamy, but not too creamy where it looks like mashed potatoes. It just looks firm, but juicy and delicious. The lima beans are seasoned too, just right. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm going to end this video. And as always, I really appreciate you sticking through the whole video and watching me while I cook this most delicious meal. And I hope you cook it for your family. I really do. And remember, as always, click that like button for me, please. It helps my channel out very, very much. And subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And always hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next video. Thanks for watching.